I didn't let all those lug nuts off. You know what I mean? Because I don't want them to.
We'll just do one side at a time.
Yeah, I would do this side first. Yeah.
This side?
Hoses off.
Take the what?
Those hoses. I mean, he said, bring me a high-vis vest. I said, no, that's for the construction workers, bro. Not us. All right, Ben, let me know when it's done. Oh. Hey, this trailer was really put together well when it was new. It's a pretty symmetrical unit, bro.
Yeah.
Someone just didn't know what the hell they were doing when they worked on it. All right, I'll teach you some things. The red airline, we call that the emergency line. That's parking brake. The blue one, that's for when their foot goes like this. Those are tires. They're connected to wheels. You need me to help you with that there, Ben? I'm gonna have to help Ben lift that tire off of there. Watch your fingers. Come on. Kick it in the top. Alright. Alright, now wiggle it. You're off. And that's an airbag. That makes the trailer go, oh. That's a brake chamber. It's connected to slack adjusters. Slack adjusters are connected to S-cams. S-cams are what the brake shoes ride on. Make them go against the drum. Make trailer stop. Let me help you real quick. Watch your freaking head, buddy. Kick right here. Kick. Alright. Ready? Got it? Those wires, they're going to the anti-brake system, anti-lock brake system. Yeah, it's a rusty unit, but you know, it's pretty symmetrical. It's in pretty decent shape. I'd be proud to own it. Anyway, this is a hub and a hubcap, a leaking hubcap, and a leaking auto-inflate through T. That's called a through T. The air goes through it. It's shaped like a T. It automatically inflates the tires. This is some really deep stuff, folks. Anyway, that's all the tricks to the trade you get today. We'll see you tomorrow. It's a brand new unit. Ben's almost done back there. Yeah. thought might be a good thing to do right now is go through a little equipment thing for y'all so you can quit telling me what to buy, because I've got a lot of stuff. I'm a stuff collector. 360. I think I got like 3 or 4 of these. I don't know. I said open the GoPro case. Are there any open that are available at a discount? And they looked, and sure enough, there were some that were open. I said, give them all to me. So we have that. Let's see what else we got. Those are all 13s. There's a GoPro 11 too. That's my old one. I don't know if the batteries are just kaput on that. Well, I can only find one battery. Or if it's the whole unit. I don't know. What else we got? Oh, look. Everyone keeps saying microphone. Guess what? I got them. You know, it's just go through and connect them to each device and wait on your service to load. And I don't always have the best service where I'm at. Like, for instance, right now, I'm sitting outside of an Amazon facility so I can give Ben a 1-inch Milwaukee Impact. Well, yeah, we got all kinds of stuff. We got stuff. We're stuffed up, okay? Please tolerate me. And just, you know, it's a learning curve. I'm trying to learn how to use it all, edit, adjust things, this, that, and the other. I will figure it out, I promise. Believe it or not, I knew not much about trucks when I started 247truckservice.com. Well, by the time I started 247truckservice.com, I had it figured out. But when I started my business in general, I didn't know nothing. And I figured it out. And now, you can call me and I can load my stuff up in a Corvette and come out there and fix your truck. I don't even need a full service truck usually. So just give me a little bit of time. I've only been doing this about a month, you know? So be patient with me. Also, from all these years of like extreme work and crashes, having a trailer drop on my head, popped in the head with a baseball bat, I get a little frazzled. So I gotta go low and slow sometimes. Like in my mind, I'm going like 100 miles an hour though, trust me. And I'm trying. I just got a lot of things going on. I got other, I got businesses, I got kids, I got my guys, their families, I got the cars, now I got this car. So just be patient with me, please. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Genuinely. I have made a whopping $153 on YouTube so far. And honestly, that's phenomenal because there's people that do it for years and don't make nothing. So thank you guys. I already got the best thing I could out of all of this, and that's getting to meet you guys and knowing that there's a lot of people out there that are genuinely good people. So thanks for being here.